footsteps of the Uttar Pradesh government, Assam BJP government is now planning to introduce a new law ranging from love jihad to land jihad. Beginning with the first law, Assam's BJP government is preparing itself to propose a new law mandating life imprisonment for love jihad cases. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has agreed to bring a new law that would impose a life term on people found guilty of love jihad.
Our government is in process of drafting a legislation which will give higher punishment for cases of love jihad. In Assam, this is rampant. People put their Hindu name in Facebook, lure a girl, and after marriage the girl discover that the boy is not the same boy whom I married. Victim must get adequate justice.
Now, CM Himanta Biswa Sarma has also announced that a new law is being formulated against land transactions between Hindus and Muslims, intending to combat the land jihad. It will be a law which will require prior chief ministerial consent for land-related transactions between the two communities.
That in various parts of Assam, because of the demographic changes, original communities like Sidil tribe, Sidil caste, post-Rajbangshi, they are becoming minority and their property is also being purchased through deploying various dubious methods. So we are bringing a law which will prohibit inter-community only restrict land sales to inter-community. Sidil tribe will sell their land only to Sidil tribe. Sidil caste will sell their land only to Sidil caste. And OBC will sell their land only to OBC in the undivided Gwalpara district, where demographic invasion is now at the peak.
Not just this, the new law is also again being drafted to bolster the domicile policy. Sarma has said that a new domicile policy under which only Assamese-born person would be eligible for state government jobs is being worked out. In fact, the new laws that Assam CM has spoken about has stirred political temperature in the state, with the Congress terming it divisive. Again, they've said that this is done to propagate hatred between different communities.
It's ridiculous that the Chief Minister of Assam, Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, continues to divide Assam and continue to spread hate. And he is the top rated hate monger in the country itself now. And he wants to be in the good books of Nagpur, and therefore he is making these kind of things, which is very unfortunate.
ऑल इंडिया में मोदी जी डूब चुके हैं। अब हेमंत बिश्वा शर्मा साहब संभलेंगे तो सुधर जाएंगे और अगर ऐसे भी अनाथ देते रहेंगे, लैंड के ऊपर हर इंसान का हक है, हर आसामी का हक है। पूरे इंडिया का कोई भी आके यहाँ लैंड भी ले सकता है। ये कश्मीर नहीं है, वो 370 उठा दिया गया, तो इसलिए कोई भी आ भी सकता है, ले भी सकता है। हिंदू मुसलमान की जमीन ले सकता है, मुसलमान हिंदू की जमीन ले सकता है। क्या ऐसा बिल लाएंगे चमक दिखाने के लिए? छोटे छोटे गरीबों को जाके आप सताएंगे, क्योंकि आपको सताने में मजा आता है। मुसलमान को जब सताएंगे आपको बहुत मजा आता है। ये रास्ता छोड़ दो भाई।